ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ।
भाई सऊदी ये सब क्या करती? भाई ये लोग पागल होती। इतना पैसा इनके पास कहाँ से आती? थोड़ा हमें जीपे कर देती।
पैसा ही पैसा होगा।
भाई सऊदी अरेबिया दे आर मैड यार। दे आर कंसिडरिंग अ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड फी, अ रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकिंग फी ऑफ 350 मिलियन यूरोस फॉर विनीसियस जूनियर।
मेरे को तो ऐसा धक धक हो रहा है।
They are literally paying more than PSG paid to Neymar, 222 million euros. And according to sources, Vinicius Junior, he received a contract proposal of worth around 1 billion euros for 5 years, including bonus.
ये तो लेटेस्ट न्यूज है।
भाई पैसे से क्या होता है यार? You cannot buy Vinicius Junior. Bro, he's chilled. He wants to play for Real Madrid. He wants to stay at Madrid. He wants to build a legacy. But something is cooking in Real Madrid. By the way guys, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, do subscribe, like and share my video.
इसकी गारंटी मैं नहीं दे सकता।
So bro, Real Madrid, they are planning a strong move in the transfer market. They are open to sell their 3 important players to bring Enzo Fernandez from Chelsea to Real Madrid for more than 130 million euros.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
देखो यार, the sources might be wrong, but there are strong chances that Real Madrid, they are planning to sell their first team players. They are planning to sell their 3 important players. Camavinga, जो after his injury is not in that form. Fran Garcia, जो after the arrival of Carreras is more likely to depart. And Rodrigo, who might leave this summer. Bro, simple है, if they want to sign Enzo Fernandez for more than 130 million euros, they have to generate funds. They have to sell these players. And अगर ये होता है, then this will be the most expensive summer transfer signing this summer. But the question is, why Real Madrid wants Enzo Fernandez? Enzo Fernandez, this player is magical in his position. A central midfielder, a deep lying playmaker who can switch attacks, can hold the ball, can provide unreal assists, can provide long balls. Bro, he's unreal. He's an excellent ball provider, excellent in the final third attacks, and can fit in the system of Xabi Alonso. Bro, in my opinion, we need a player like Toni Kroos. And Enzo Fernandez, he's somewhere like Toni Kroos, a proper number 8 who can help us in the central area, who can help us to provide long ball attacks. And bro, we need players like Enzo Fernandez to build attack from the back.
भाई आपका नॉलेज तो कमाल का है भाई का।
Bro, already Enzo Fernandez is under contract with Chelsea until 2032, and Chelsea, they have made it very clear that 130 million euros के नीचे कोई बात नहीं होने वाला है. No negotiations will be done. You have to pay more than 130 million euros to buy Enzo Fernandez.
ज्यादा अंग्रेजी मत झाड़।
While on the other hand, Barcelona, they have postponed. भाई उन्होंने postpone कर दिया their move to the Spotify Camp Nou, जो basically 10th अगस्त को होने वाला था. They were thinking that it will be a grand reopening with the traditional John Camper Trophy, but there has been some delays in obtaining the necessary first occupancy license from the Barcelona City Council.
तो साला होना ही था।